Everyone, this is Char with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. This is going to be about your future in the year 2022. You are definitely curious and you want to know what's in store for you. So we have three piles here. This is pile A, which is a book. This is pile B, which is a guitar. And this is pile C, which is a hat. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you're being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just Those of you who picked pile A, which is a book right here, for 2022, I think knowledge is in store for you. You're going to get the guidance that you desire. Possibly, many of you also want to study or you want to improve or enhance on your skill set. So this is the year when you should spend time researching, reading. Perhaps many of you also want to join that online course. So you should do that. You should follow your heart. Or maybe many of you are also going to spend time in the library. Maybe you will also receive a book as gift. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading pile is the Five of Pentacles for the year 2022. This is a material vibration. I think this is also the card which is asking you to adapt to the changing circumstances. Maybe you should also look closely at your material possessions. Sometimes, you could also misplace your belongings. I think you should also be clear when it comes to communication so as to avoid misunderstandings. In case pile A, if you're working and your contract is up for renewal, then you can get the extension that you desire. Incidentally, pile A, this card is also asking me to let you know that maybe you should let go of things which are not yours. I think this is going to give you peace of mind. Maybe you should also be transparent in your financial dealings to avoid any kind of scrutiny or to avoid any kind of misunderstanding. Nevertheless, I think 2022 is the year when you are going to get the opportunity to work things out. Some of you could also be exasperated on account of malfunctioning gadgets. That is why I think you need to replace them. The next card in this reading is Grounding, Stability, Foundation. It says here, the color brown has come up in your reading, which is connected to the earth, and we did have Five of Pentacles in your reading. So again, the key here is to focus on your material needs this year. I think you want a stable career. I think you want to be on terra firma, you want to be on solid ground. This is also the color of fertility. So in case there are going to be opportunities for you to move about, then you should take the responsibility. Sometimes, pile A, we dilly-dally, we don't grasp the opportunity. So this year you should look closely instead of letting go of those openings that are going to come your way. Archangel Raphael is also letting you know that you needn't worry about your health because your health is going to be improving. I think for some of you, you could have allergic reactions. There could be skin ailments this year. Maybe some of you also dealing with dental issues. Some kind of stress could also lead to disturbed sleep patterns this year. So you need to focus on that. In case you're cooking, you should be careful of burns. I think for some of you, you should also be careful to monitor your sugar levels because there's a tendency to suffer from those blackouts or vertigo at times. Nevertheless, Archangel Raphael is reassuring you that things are going to look up. I think you should prioritize your health this year. Some of you could also be in the healing professions. So Archangel Raphael is asking you to research or to learn more because you did pick up the book here. The past life issue that you're dealing with this year is related to your love life. Maybe some of you are already romantically involved. This person could be someone from your past. Maybe you shared a soulmate relationship. Or perhaps for some of you, this could also be a blockage. Maybe you had a bad experience in your past life. So this is not allowing you to be open to the idea of love. You should open your heart chakra. I think this painful experience has been a part of your past, so you shouldn't carry on that baggage. You shouldn't shut the door to romance, so to speak. Any kind of love interest this year definitely implies as this person has been connected to your past. Definitely, Pile, there are going to be a lot of suitors and admirers this 2022. I think because of the 5 year, you're going to be coming across as someone who's quite intelligent, someone who is quite grounded because of this brown card here. I think there are going to be those suitors who are going to make a last ditch effort to reach out to you. Perhaps this person you're interested in is also mirroring you. In case those of you who are in an on again, off again relationship, I think this is a chance to revive your love life. We should forget about the past, rather, you should be more receptive. Because you have many suitors, I think your person could also be quite insecure. So, Pile, you have your options with respect to love, but then you should reassure your person that you have eyes only for him or her. We also have this card, light and love. I think you're also a healer because Archangel Raphael is guiding you here with respect to your own health or the health concerns of a loved one, or maybe you're in the healing profession. Perhaps you're a medical personnel, or even you could be interested in alternative healing methods. You're definitely a conduit of God's pure light and love. I think you bring your healing energy. Maybe some of you are also very good at visualization or positive intentions. I think you should keep up with the good work because your prayers are going to be answered. You're going to get the support as a healer. From the Romance Angel deck, we have this card, Retreat. I think it would be best to spend time alone with your partner or your person. Maybe other people's opinion is going to have a bearing in your relationship this year. You see this couple, they're walking into the woods. So this bliss of solitude which you can enjoy with your person is definitely going to help strengthen your relationship. Maybe for some of you it is a time to renew your vows. So this is going to be the honeymoon period for you. I think even if you're single, like the love life card here, so this card is also asking you to go to that retreat or be open to receiving love. Maybe there'll be surprise encounters while you're in that place. From Lenormand, we have this card, Clover. This is talking about a stroke of luck. There's going to be some kind of small opportunity which is going to be yours for the taking. Sometimes, things take time to become full-blown opportunities, but then whatever little openings you're getting, you shouldn't sideline them or you shouldn't ignore them. The Clover is also talking about good news with respect to a health condition, whether it concerns you or a family member. Like Archangel Raphael here before, in this reading we did talk about the same. Pile, you should also be careful of your throat chakra. Like I said, there could be some misunderstandings. I did cough while recording this video, so maybe there's a message here for some of you. 2022 is also asking you to spend time with your power animals. Maybe you're working with animals or you're a nature lover. I think your animal spirit guides are also trying to communicate with you. They are going to guide you this year. Whether it's birds or whether it's the dog. Any animal which comes to your mind or which is showing up repeatedly in your life in 2022 is asking you to pay attention. The last card in this reading is talking about your intentions. So you should have positive thoughts. You should let it take shape into your reality. Contemplate on your aims. Maybe you should also be very clear with respect to what you desire. Karma is also at play here because what you sow is what you reap. So you need to have those kind thoughts. We will pick up some charms here. The first charm is the key here. So definitely you're going to gain the insight which you desire in 2022. You do have the key to unlock secrets, or you're going to have those key significant moments in your life. Maybe there's also a significant person in your life. There'll be some key figures. 2022 is also asking you to be more open, like this dolphin charm here. So maybe you should be more playful. You should spend time by the sea. Like I said, you need to be open to love. So maybe like this dolphin, you need to socialize. You need to communicate effectively as well. I think you want peace and harmony, even cooperation from others this year. Besides Pile, you should also focus on self-love and healing. The last charm here is the camel here, which is the ship of the desert. So definitely, in case you're making a voyage, then you should be prepared because there are going to be some challenges. But the camel is an animal which can withstand everything. So even if there are going to be challenges this 2022, you are going to withstand it all. I think your reserves of energy is also going to hold you in good stead in 2022. Largely Pilot 2022 is the year when opportunities will abound in your life. I hope Pilot you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. Those of you who picked Pile B for 2022, we have the guitar right here. Possibly, music is going to play an important role in your life. It is going to heal your soul. When you are down and out, I think you should pick up that guitar or you should sign up for that musical course. It could help heal you. Definitely, you're going to sway to the rhythm of life this 2022. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in this reading, Pile B, is the Eight of Swords here. This is a card which is asking you to look closely at things around you. Possibly, many of you are going to be socializing, you're going to enjoy good food, but there's also going to be an energy shift this 2022. You see this lady here, she's surrounded by swords around her. So you're going to be encircled by some problem areas this year, so it's best to keep a low profile. Maybe that is why you picked up the guitar here. I think you want solitude into your life. Maybe people also see you as someone who is quite whimsical because there are going to be a change of plans because of you. Sometimes there could also be misunderstandings in your relationships. So that is why it is imperative for you to weigh your words carefully. Maybe you shouldn't jump to conclusions, so to speak. Nevertheless, I think this is a time when you will be doing well professionally. I think you should make concessions at work. Even if there are people who are bad-mouthing you or who are making those roadblocks in your life, you have the energy or the drive to overcome this. I think the key here is the Swords energy, so that is why you're going to be someone who is going to cut through those obstacles. I think communication is also going to open doors for you, so you should make the most of it. 2022 is also asking you to bring forth your creative side, which will be appreciated. This Swords energy is also going to help you accomplish much at great speed, so you need to capitalize. In case, Pile B, you're making your way for that interview, I think you could be done in because there's too much scrutiny involved. Maybe you think this job isn't for you. Though there are going to be challenges or enormous pressure on you, I think, Pile B, this is the year when you're going to be strengthening your resolve. You're going to cut through those obstacles and come away more strong on account of the experience. Card in this reading is Eyes, which talks about revealing. Possibly, things which are hidden from view are going to be coming out in the open. Like I said, there are going to be colleagues who could be out to put roadblocks in your life. I think things will become clearer as the year proceeds for you. Everything is going to be disclosed or divulged. The eyes are a window to our soul. Your eyes could speak a lot, or maybe you're also observing others around you, so you're going to understand their motives this year. While you should guard against negative energy or negative forces, maybe you should also do some aura cleansing. Archangel Raphael is also asking you to do more research. Maybe there's a health issue which is concerning you, or it could be with respect to a loved one. So that is why you need to read more books. Maybe you should take a second opinion, or you should read up on the net. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be digestive system related issues. Maybe your back is also going to be affected, or you could also be quite accident prone, so maybe you could slip and take a fall. So these are things which I'm picking up right now, Pile B, so you should be mindful of the same. Largely, I think Archangel Raphael is asking you not to be passive, not to take things lightly, be open to alternative healing methods as well. The past life issue that 2022 is bringing for you is leaving or travel. I think for many of you, there's going to be movement and travel. Maybe in your past life, you were a vagabond of sorts. You were always picking up your luggage and moving from one place to another, or you were also moving homes frequently. I think this could upset the apple cart, or your status quo is not going to be maintained, so you should be ready for the changes that are going to be there. For some of you, this card is also implying that you may be moving away from a relationship, or maybe in a past life your partner had moved away from you. This is definitely going to impact your life. Maybe some soul searching is also required in this scenario. Children are also going to impact your life. I think you could be somebody who's teaching children or spending time with children or other young people. Possibly you could be involved with children of your own, or you could be involved with other people's children. Your nieces or your nephews need your attention. I think this playful energy is going to lighten your spirits. The romance angels are also asking you to keep an open mind with respect to love. Maybe this is something that is going to be revealed. There are going to be those suitors. Perhaps probably in the past you had overlooked somebody who is crushing on you, or somebody who fancies you. That is why you should look closely. Certainly this is a year when you should meet up, you should socialize, as this will surely bring you prospective suitors. In case yours is an on again, off again relationship, I think you should reach out because you're not going to be disappointed. Maybe this is the time to express your heart's desire or what you feel for each other. Possibly this card is also implying that your soulmate could be different from you with respect to your social backgrounds, or with respect to your religious or even your societal backgrounds, that is. Sometimes, we have a opinion about how our partner should look like or how he should be, but then the universe could throw somebody completely opposite. So be receptive to whatever is coming your way. In case you're already married, I think you could be dealing with a very demanding partner this year. I think he is going to be someone who is going to keep you on your toes. He expects you to give your whole or entire attention to him. I think there could also be some health concerns with respect to your person. Incidentally, I think 2022 is also giving you the opportunity to make those home improvements. Archangel Raphael has come up again in your reading. He is supporting your healing work, so be rest assured that you're going to be guided to heal others. Maybe you should take up an exercise program, or you should quit drinking or smoking or the other bad habits. I think Archangel Raphael is expecting you to look into these areas of concerns rather than ignore them. From Lenormand, we have this card, Key. I think light is going to shine on you. There's going to be some awakening moment or some breakthrough of discovery of sorts. I think there are going to be those moments when you're going to be inspired. We talk about the Eureka moment. So there are going to be those times this year when you could get a solution to a problem that is there, or you could be unlocking new ideas. Certainly, the Key is one of the best cards in Lenormand, so there are also going to be significant people or players in your life. Even with respect to romance, I think you're going to deal with someone with whom you have a very deep spiritual or karmic connection. Like I said, if there are any issues involved here, it could be resolved, especially if you're dealing with an on again, off again person. The last card in this reading is Shadow Self. From the Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck, I think you should focus on the negative aspect of your personality. Maybe there are certain negative habits which are affecting your relationships. If you look closely at this card, this lady is looking at the raven above. So it's looking for guidance from the universe. The raven is a harbinger of powerful secrets. There are going to be omens and signs around you. Maybe there are certain things which are recurring in your life, or there are going to be those repeated cycles or patterns which you should look at. These unresolved conflicts are definitely going to be like blockages in your life. So working on the negative aspects of our personality can only help us evolve as a person this year. I'm also going to pick up some charms to understand what's there for you. The first charm here is a bow. Again, this is a sign of innocence, femininity, gentleness, softness. It's next to the children card, so maybe you should be more receptive, you should be young at heart. I think this is an embellishment of sorts, so maybe for some of you there are going to be those times professionally when you're going to be singled out. The next charm here is the moon. This is the moon. I think you should also be very careful because you're going to be quite temperamental this year. Maybe you're fluctuating. Moons are going to play havoc in your relationships. Interestingly, Palbi, I'm also picking up that you could have some insightful dreams this year which are going to be quite revealing for you. We did have the shadow self. We do have the Eight of Swords here. So certainly something is hidden which is going to be coming to the fore. The last charm here is the conch. I think you have to get rid of the evil things which are around you. The evil forces are there, but then this conch is going to help you purify the environment from all the evil effects. You should be truthful in your speech. You're going to gain strength this year. All in all, Palbi, this is the year when you're going to be evolving as a person. Possibly many of you are also going to reconnect with that special someone. Spiritual awakening is also on the cards for many of you this year. In essence, I think you're looking at purity of the soul this 2022. I hope Palbi you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. You pick Pal C, which is the hat right here. I think you're going to take on very many roles this 2022. This is the year when your responsibilities are going to increase, whether professionally or whether on the home front. If you look closely, there are embellishments on this hat. So certainly there are going to be feathers on your cap, or there are going to be those important times when you'll be amply rewarded this year. Maybe some of you are going to be the dominant player. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading is the Eight of Pentacles. This is definitely the time when you're going to be quite artistic and creative. I think you're somebody who is going to be working with your hands. Maybe you're going to be taking up a side hustle. Creatively, you're going to be quite alive. This is also going to bring in financial rewards for you. You know, this lady, she is focused on her work, so you're going to be somebody who is going to be neck deep in work. You're going to enjoy what you're doing. Besides, you know, this is going to be rewarding for you. So for many of you, this 2022 is going to herald a time when there are going to be accomplishments. You're going to be singled out for your creativity or the way you carry out your duties at work. The Eight of Pentacles is also asking you to collaborate with others. Maybe some of you also want to enhance your skills. So this is a time when you should focus on learning or training. While dealing with clients also, I think you should be very firm. You should stick to your guns. Maybe there are clients who expect you to make concessions for them, but you shouldn't do that. I think there are going to be opportunities and you're going to come good. You're going to complete what you set out to do. Maybe many of you are also going to be technically challenged, or paperwork is going to increase, so you will have to devote your time to the same. Incidentally, Palbi, another message from the universe is that you should keep your belongings carefully. Maybe this is a time to focus also on decluttering your living space or to improve on your living conditions. This is a material vibration, so again you need to cash on. We also have 1111, so spiritual awakening is also there. We did talk about material things on account of the first card in your reading, but here the universe is also quite aligned, or spirit is also guiding you, so to speak. I think you're on the right path. Everything for you is synchronistic, so you should listen and observe. Archangel Raphael is also asking you to change physicians this year. Maybe somebody around you is unwell, or even you need medical assistance. You should seek a second opinion. You know, my throat is acting up, so many of you could be dealing with throat chakra related issues, laryngitis or sore throat. Maybe your muscles are also going to be quite sore this year. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be in claustrophobic surroundings, like you could be stuck in a lift, or you should be careful and you should ask Archangel Raphael to step in at such a time. Maybe you should also focus on a past health problem that you are suffering from. The past life issue this year is Native American. Possibly, many of you were involved in Native societies or you're interested in reading up on Native societies, so you should do more research. Or if you are drawn to Native American artifacts or culture, spiritually you're also attuned to nature. I think there are going to be those times when you will be drawn to these societies and cultures. Ancient memories could be awakened this 2022, so you should listen. For some of you, this could also imply that there could be some hidden anger or pain which you should pay attention to. These are, painful blockages which you need to release because this is concerning your past life. Incidentally, the next card is let go. So certainly the universe is asking you to walk away from the situation in order to resolve it. Maybe this blockage is preventing you from progressing in life. Sometimes, stress or indecision could also affect us. So it's best to detach yourself from certain situations and to be at peace. From the Romance Angel deck, we have this card, Honeymoon. In case you're already romancing, I think you should get away from the world around you and you should be with your partner. You should spend time with each other. If you're single, I think this card could imply that if you're on a holiday, then there could be someone who could pull at your heartstrings. I think work could also keep the two of you busy. So that is why you and your partner should take those breaks to rekindle the romance. Basically, Pile C, you desire commitment from your person. Maybe you want to settle down, wear that headdress on your special occasion. That's why you picked up the hat. Pile C, there's also a possibility that your ex could show up this year, but then I think you have moved on from that relationship. Maybe these old memories could reawaken in your life. I think for many of you, you need to work on your relationship with your person. You should watch romantic numbers to rekindle the romance. From the Normand, we have this card, Broom. Possibly, in the year, you could be using your tongue like a whiplash. You want to give a piece of your mind to people who are bothering you. I think you should avoid disputes or disagreements with your workers or colleagues. Maybe you should resolve the issues by thinking of the same from a different angle if you want to succeed. Sometimes, this Broom card could also imply that you need to move away from negative habits or patterns. There'll definitely be those negotiations with your colleagues and workers. Pile C, you shouldn't put up with violence of any kind this year. Perhaps the need here is also to read books because we have this card, book. Maybe a book is also there which needs to be written by you, so you should get down to maintaining a diary or to write a book. Or you should also focus on research. Maybe you should spend time in the library this year, understand or to get awakening with respect to medical issues or with respect to professional matters. Like I said earlier in this reading, many of you could also be devoting your energies to learning or to enhancing your skill set. From the Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck, we have this card, Innocence. I think children are going to play an important part in your life. Maybe you should be more playful and receptive to what others are saying. Spending time with children could also help you loosen up. It could help you not be judgmental because children never question others. Definitely you need to preserve the spirit of innocence. Be more open to the goodness of others instead of distrusting them. Let's pick up some charms for 2022. This is very ironic. We have this keychain with embroidery on it, and the first card in your reading was the Eight of Pentacles, where this lady is busy with her craft. She's busy with needles. So certainly you are going to be quite creative. There are going to be some patterns which could be repeated in your life, so you should look closely at the same. There are also going to be flowers along the way, so this is something which is very positive in your reading. Maybe you should also stop and smell the roses. The leaf has come up, so definitely again nature imagery is quite important for you. It would help you de-stress. Maybe some of you are also fond of gardening. This 2022, you should allow your hands to get dirty, to be with Mother Earth and Mother Nature. You know, every falling leaf has a message from the unseen world. So there are going to be some messages which are going to be there if you are going to be receptive to the same. So, you know, the leaf also talks about hope, because the green color depicts hope, renewal, revival. Things are going to be more fertile, or it's going to be a time of hope for you. The last charm here is the lamp, or the Aladdin's lamp. I think this is talking about wisdom and intellect that you're going to gain. The lamp could also be a gateway to another world or the other plane. Aladdin did deal with genie, so maybe there are going to be some paranormal experiences for you this 2022. All in all, I'll see this year there are going to be responsibilities. This is going to be the year of hope, renewal of friendships, and material gains. Hope I'll see you lecture reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.